Now we're up and running. Okay. Amy, Barry and Connor have credit on their mobile phones. Barry has €10 more than Amy. Connor has twice as much as Amy. Amy has X mobile phone credits. Select a suitable representation from A, B, C, D and E below to represent the amount of mobile phone credit that Barry has. Okay, Barry has what, guys? Huh?
He has 10 more than...
So what's 10 more than X?
X plus 10.
X plus 10. 10 times more would be?
10x.
10x. Okay. Connor has twice as much as Amy. Twice as much. 2x, not x plus 2. X plus 2 means €2 more.
No,
but twice as much is 2x.
Oh yeah, sorry, this is just 2x.
Okay. Amy said that the total amount of mobile phone credit that Barry and Connor have between them can be represented by 3x plus 10. Is she correct? Okay. So what do? We add Barry's answer to Connor's answer. So Barry plus Connor is x plus 10 plus 2x. How many x's do I have?
3.
3 x's and
Plus 10.
plus 10.
So she's correct.
3x plus 10. So she's correct.
Well, it says show that she is correct.
I added them together
So,
and
No.
showed that they're...
No, I know, but I'm just saying, like, it wasn't asking if she's correct.
Oh yeah, showed. Oh, that's a good point. Oren said he dissected the language, saying that it wasn't investigate if she's correct. The word says show that she's correct, which means you've definitely got to get 3x plus 10. So well done, Oren. Good point on the language there. The amount of mobile phone credit that Barry and Connor have is €34. Write down an equation to represent this. So what's their total amount of money again? 3x plus 10. Barry's credit plus Connor's credit is 3x plus 10. This 3x plus 10 must equal what, guys?
34.
34. Now we got to solve this, so what do?
Take away 10 off.
10 over the other side, take away 10 and we get?
24, and then 30 divided by 24.
Is 8. Now Amy's mobile phone credit is how much X is, isn't it? It says at the start of the question, Amy has X euro. Would you agree with that?
Yeah. So it's €8.
€8. Everybody cool with that? Okay, guys. Next, what page are we on? Good. 19, okay, 19. You got it, Ocean? Now, what's next in the sequence, guys?
17.
17,
13.
13 and
9.
9. It's going down in
4.
fours. Suggest a rule for continuing the sequence.
Each element minus 4.
Oh, like that. Each element. What do you mean by each element?
As in each number.
Each number take away 4. Well done, Cherry. Where'd you get that word from? Each element. Just inspired, are you?
Yeah.
Inspiration. Now, Donald said that the sequence will eventually include a -5. Explain why he is not correct.
The sequence consistently removes 4 in the sequence.
9, 4, 1,
1
-3 and -7. So what you can say there is that it skips by -5. It goes from -3 to -7. Is that okay?
Yeah, I just put down that, is that okay?
And you could just write a little note, goes from -3 to -7, skips -5.
Yeah. So,
Sequence skips -5. Everybody alright with that? Charlie?
I said the sequence consistently removes 4 in the sequence.
Yeah, but that one, that you have to show it, like spell it out to them. Show the last couple of steps and show it definitely doesn't go by it. Yes?
You just say all of them all of them go down by 4, so it misses -5.
Yeah, that'd be a good way of explaining it, yeah. Best to be show it though.
Okay.
The first 4 terms are 3, 7, 15, 31. The rule for continuing this sequence is multiply the previous number by 2 and add 1. Find the next 2 terms of the sequence.
60, 31, 100.
Multiply 31 by 2 and then add on 1. and then multiply 63 by 2 and add on 1. How many people got that? 127 and 63. Okay, pretty much everybody who did it. Alright, now, is 255 a term in this sequence? Give a reason for your answer.
Yeah.
So 127 multiplied by 2 is
254
plus 1, 255. Yes, as it's the next term after 127.
So should you just not put down yes for the answer and then the actual sum for
Yeah, you could. Yeah. Yes, and then use that as the reason. Okay? So what his suggestion is, Ryan's suggesting I do this. There, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Now that's a good suggestion. Now, the same rule is used for the sequence that starts with the number minus 4. Find the next 3 terms. You multiply by 3 and you add 1. Let's start off.
Minus 7.
Minus 4 multiplied by 3. Multiplied by 3?
Multiplied by 3.
Yeah. Oh, sorry, it's multiplied by 2, is it?
Yeah.
My fault, sorry. Minus 4 multiplied by 2. Minus 8. Add on 1.
Is 7.
Minus 7. Okay. Minus 7 multiplied by 2. Minus 14. Plus 1. Minus 13. Okay. Minus 13 multiplied by 2.
26.
Minus 26 plus 1. Minus 25. Who got that? Good. Alright. Can we move on? This is easy money, guys. Easy money here. Okay. 4x. So see this little, see the way it's f of x, yeah? X is referred to as the input and y is referred to as the or y or f of x, yeah? So the rule is 4 times any number take away 7. What the first one means is replace x with 7. 4 times 7 minus 7, 21. The next one, 4 times minus 1
minus
7 minus 11. Everybody right with that?
I got it.
How many people got that? 42. It's quite easy though, isn't it?
I actually put in.
Yeah.
I actually did it as a table.
Draw the following graph. Everybody know how to use the table function? How do you use it?
Mode 3.
Mode 3 after that.
And then you can put it, well, you put in x squared minus x minus 4.
Okay, after that.
Minus 2.
Minus 2 to start. After that.
3.
3 at the end. And step of 1. And you get a load of points, don't you? Everybody happy with that? Can somebody call me out all those points, please? Make a list of them.
Minus 2 to.
Yeah. What's after that?
Minus 1, yeah, minus 1, minus 2.
Yeah.
0, minus 4.
Yeah.
1, minus 4.
Minus 4.
Yeah.
And after that?
2, minus 2.
Now, what have I always told you about these graphs?
Yeah, there's one more. 3 and 2.
And what have I always told you about these graphs?
They always go in like a loop.
They're always a smile or a frown. It's either a U shape or an N shape. It does not go like this. Everybody got that? Yeah, it's not the first time I'm telling you that either. Everybody right? So, here's what's going to happen. We look at the y values, don't we, first? What's the biggest and lowest y value? Biggest y value? 2. The lowest y value?
Minus 4.
Minus 4. So we gotta go from 2 to minus 4. Now, I'm gonna make it worth, each one of these can be worth 1. I can space it out a little bit. If you space it out, it works a bit better. Okay, so -1, -2, -3, -4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Would this be a good idea? What do you think of that?
No, it's too short.
It does work, but you could space it out a bit, couldn't you? I can use 3 blocks. I have tons of space.
It's too close to the y-axis.
Oh well, it actually does work, Charlie. It just makes it really hard to draw, though. So I just want to space it out. I decided to use 2 blocks for the y-axis and 3 blocks for the x-axis. Is that okay? Well, let's do this. -2, 2. Where's -2, 2? -2, 2. Anybody?
It's there, yeah.
-1, -2. There. 0, -4. There. -1, -4. There. 2, -2, and 3, 2. Now look at this, guys. See that? And then do I go straight across?
No, you curve it.
Drop slightly underneath and back up again. And there you go. Here's a perfect U-shaped function.
They wouldn't let you away with that though, because you messed up on the 4. -4.
Here.
Yeah, over to the.
That one.
You went.
I'm a bit slightly to the left. Yeah, Brian makes a good point there, guys. I'm just ever so slightly just not hitting that. Sorry, did it again. Mine's slightly off skewed, but you have to go through the point. Yeah?
Yeah, it has to go through the centre.
Up the top.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right. Now, given that y equals x minus 2, is that the next one? Next one? Next page?
Yeah, there is. That's
Yeah.
really where you get the entire page.
Yeah. Given that y equals x minus 2, complete the table below.
Yeah.
Okay, take 2 away from x. So when x is 0, what's y?
-6.
When x is 1, what is y?
-1.
When x is 2, what is y?
0.
So what you notice is happening?
Going down by -1.
Going up 1 every time.
You start going up 1, so.
See those points? Am I going to draw something now? Yes, I am. Is it drawn already? So I need 0 minus 2. Would you agree with that? X value followed by the y value. 1 minus 1. 2, 0. After that. 3, 1. And after that. 4, 2. Everybody cool with that? On the grid below, the graph of y equals 4 minus x is drawn. So is everybody familiar with that? This one here, excuse me. Is everybody familiar with the fact that this line here is this one there? Everybody happy with that?
Yeah.
And we're going to draw R1 now. R1 is going to be this blue one here. We already have the points, don't we? So what are we going to draw? 0 minus 2. You probably need a bit more space. 0 minus 2 is here. After that, 2, 0, 3, 1, and 4, 2. And that's. Why did I do that in yellow? The worst choice ever. Cool with that?
Did you skip one, sir?
What?
1 minus 1.
Oh, yeah, I did, but it's actually, there we are. Everybody right with that? So there's another question. Write down the points of intersection. The point of intersection. What is a point, guys? A point is a x value and a y value. And what is an x value and a y value for this? Point of intersection? 3, 1. It's a point that's on both graphs. And we're done.